All right, a quick look at Luna Classic here. So, a lot of these I've been noticing that if we zoom out, we're looking here on the weekly candles here, but if we go to the monthly like we did with Q and T, if you watch those updates here on the channel, you can see that it's pretty much telling us that we need a monthly candle to close above the 236 at 4090 here to confirm the bottom is in here. Of course, we've been looking at the 3-day and the weekly here on Luna Classic, and if we fix it here to where you guys can see that uptrend here is still in play. It held our support areas here at these green lines. I believe that would be the final support level at the macro 786 here. Let me pull this up and see what we got going on here. So we're sitting right on that 786. I'm not sure what these lines were. Oh yeah, that's right. These lines are just simply looking at the chart, the macro chart. This is where we broke below, found resistance, broke back above. We have that wick holding, and then of course we held back here. So it was just some areas of support that we threw on the screen. And it did come into play a couple of times here, as you can see on these weekly candles, but ultimately low to the high, holding over the last support 786, holding the uptrend. Depending on where you draw it, of course, we can move this all over the place, but as long as you're over 4072, potentially the big price to beat here, where we are curling up off of that potential bottom. Once we get over 4090 back over the macro 236, that will confirm that that bottom is in on Luna Classic. So just like with Quant, zooming out to the weekly and the monthly, it does appear, at least to me, that we are putting in bottoms here, and we're going to start moving up. At some point. I do not have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you guys when we are going to move up, but it's looking good here on Luna Classic. So if you bought down here on these last couple of dips, you may very well have bought the bottom for LUNC here. Now, with that being said, how high is this thing going to end up going this cycle? I know people call for a penny, and we do have it on the screen. If we hit a penny, that is the 2272, $71 billion market cap, and from today about 160x. So that is a massive move there. And then if you want some more targets to watch to maybe take profit, we do have the $5.8 billion market cap to the 1272 new high here on our chart up to 001, and about a 13.5, 14x on your investment. And if Luna Classic only does on the chart a 786 retracement, you can see that's a 2 billion market cap up to 3035, and a decent little over a 4x on your investment here. So not bad on Luna Classic. So comment down below, do you think this thing can hit a penny? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.